welcome back students. Second class of chapter 1, living and non-living things. So in the last video we learned about the features of living things. Living things breathe, living things move, living things eat, living things grow, living things feel and living things reproduce. In this video we would gather some more information about each feature of living things. So the first feature what we saw was living things breathe for their survival. We human beings and most of the animals like dogs, horses, cows, they breathe with the help of their nose, right? You breathe with the help of your nose. Likewise, most of the animals, whether it is a cow, horse, dog, goat, they also breathe with the help of their nose. Insects, how do they breathe? They breathe with the help of special structures present on their body, and those special structures are known as air holes. What it is called as air holes. Now what is air hole? Air hole are very small openings or very tiny holes. बहुत छोटे से holes होते हैं जो कि उनकी body में present होते हैं. So air holes are very small openings which are present on the body of the insects. Can you see the small dots? These are air holes which are very small openings present on the surface of their body. So insects, they breathe with the help of air holes. Fishes, everyone knows fish. Fish is an aquatic animal. Why it is called an aquatic animal? Because fishes can live in water. Fishes lives in water. So that's why they are known as aquatic animals. So how does a fish breathe? Fish breathe with the help of special organs present in their body which are known as gills. Can you see this blue curved structure? These are nothing but gills. So with the help of gills, fishes breathe. They take in the oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide in the water. Plants. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe with the help of special structure called stomata. What it is called as? Stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata are also like air holes. They are also very small openings. बहुत छोटे से holes होते हैं. But where it is found in the plants? Stomata is found on the surface of the leaves. कहाँ पे होते हैं? पत्तों में. पत्तों के सरफेस में बहुत छोटे छोटे से होल्स होते हैं. उन छोटे होल्स को हम बोलते हैं स्टोमेटा, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टोमेटा प्लांट्स ब्रीथ. नाउ if you want to see an enlarged structure or enlarged vision of the stomata looks like this. This part is the opening, the hole from where the air goes in and comes out. This hole is surrounded by two structures which is of rajma like shape. You eat rajma, right? So of that shape, can you see the two structures which is guarding or surrounding this hole, and finally an outer covering. So when we are talking about one hole, one tiny opening, it will be known as stoma. Stoma means we are calling it in singular. And when we talk about more than one stoma, we call it stomata. So stomata is the plural of stoma. Okay. So let's see once again, like different types of living things, how do they breathe? Human beings and most of the animals, they breathe with the help of their nose. Insects, they breathe with the help of air holes which are present on their body. Fishes breathe with the help of gills present on its body. Plants breathe with the help of stomata, and stomata, where it is found? It is found on the underside surface of the leaves. So stomata are what? They are small openings present on the surface of the leaves. Okay, moving to the next feature. So the next feature we learned about living things was living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another on its own. What does this line mean? इसका मतलब ये है कि हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह खुद से जा सकते हैं. Can I go to that place on my own by walking? Right? But will this board or this pen or your pencil can move on its own from one place to another? No. Until unless you carry your pen and pencil and move it to some other place, it won't be able to move on its own. But all living things can move on its own. So let's see. Animals and we human beings. So, animals and we human beings, how can we move? We move by running or by walking with the help of our legs. So, animals and human beings, they move by walking or running with the help of their legs. Birds move from one place to another by flying, right? Birds, they fly. So, how do they fly? They fly with the help of their wings. Wings matlab pank. Fishes. How do the fish move from one place to another in the water? Fish swims. By swimming, it moves from one place to another. And how does a fish swim? With the help of fins. These are the fins. With the help of these fins, the fish moves from one place to another, or it swims in the water. Now, plants. Have you seen a plant moving from one place to another? No. Plants never move like this from one place to another like we human beings, birds or animals do. Plants एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं move करते. But still they move. How? Plants show movement with the help of their parts. Plants अपना movement कैसे show करते हैं? अपने दूसरे parts के through. कैसे? एक example से समझते हैं. एक प्लांट है, there is one plant known as mimosa. Mimosa, इसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं छुई मुई का पौधा. क्या कहते हैं? छुई मुई का पौधा. In English we call it mimosa. Mimosa, the leaves are like this. Opened leaves, ऐसे फैले हुए पत्ते होते हैं. But the moment someone touches the leaves of mimosa, the leaves closes. The leaves get closed. The leaves get shrink. पहले कैसे थे पत्ते? ऐसे. The moment उस पत्तों को कोई छू लेता है, it closes, it shrinks, it curls up. So this is the movement we can see in plants. So plants always show movement with its parts, whether it's a leaf or the stem or something like that. So in plants, movement can be seen in their parts. So we saw animals and most of we human beings and animals move with the help of our legs. Birds, they fly with the help of their wings, and fishes, it moves or swims in the water with the help of fins. Plants show movement with the help of its parts. So in the next video, we would be taking the other features, and let's see what all information we can have in the other features. I hope you might understood whatever I have taught you. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.